Are you looking for the best long-lasting wood air fresheners in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best long-lasting wood air fresheners that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the OHZH Wood Car Air Freshener Set. The OHZH Wood Car Air Freshener Set is designed for drivers who want a modern, reusable, and elegant way to keep their vehicle smelling fresh. This pack includes 4 wooden scent blocks and 2 metal visor clips, making it useful for switching scents or sharing between vehicles. Each block has a magnetized backing that connects neatly to the visor clip, creating a clean, low-profile look that does not hang from the mirror or clutter the dashboard. The set includes 4 balanced scents: teak for warm woody notes, amber for a smooth, clean feel, cabana for a relaxed coastal mood, and grove for bright green freshness. The aromas are made to feel pleasant rather than heavy, which is ideal for everyday driving. Installation is simple. Place the clip on the visor, let the scent block dry as directed, then attach it magnetically. Unused blocks should be kept sealed and away from sunlight. Replace each block about every 30 days for consistent freshness. With 2 clips included, this pack offers better flexibility for multi-car households. It is a good choice for anyone who likes seasonal scent rotation without buying disposable fresheners repeatedly. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Perfa Solvère Car Air Freshener. The Perfa Solvère Car Air Freshener is built for drivers who prefer a bold, perfume-style fragrance instead of the typical fruity car scent. Inspired by luxury aftershaves and premium perfumes, this freshener is designed to give your cabin a strong, sophisticated scent throw that feels more like a personal fragrance than a basic odor cover-up. It uses odor-eliminating technology to help replace unwanted smells with the rich Solvère aroma, making it useful for daily commutes, long trips, ride-share vehicles, and anyone who wants passengers to notice a cleaner cabin. The fragrance is made with a blend of fragrance and essential oils, and it can last up to 3 months before needing a refill. You can also adjust the scent strength by moving the wooden stopper on the diffuser cords, which gives you more control over how powerful the aroma feels. Made in the UK and presented in a stylish gift box, it is a polished choice for car lovers. Refill options also make it reusable over time. For viewers comparing premium car scents, this one stands out for strength, presentation, and long-lasting performance. At number 3, we have the Bispoy Natural Wooden Car Air Freshener. This Bispoy Natural Wooden Car Air Freshener is a smart choice for drivers who want a fresh cabin without cheap plastic fresheners or overpowering sprays. Made from 100% sustainable solid wood and infused with natural essential oils, it offers a cleaner, more stylish way to control vehicle odors. The set includes 3 refillable wood chips in teak, cabana, and amber, along with a reusable metal visor clip. Its magnetic design lets the slim wood chip lock securely onto the clip in seconds, so it stays in place on bumpy roads without blocking your view or leaving sticky residue. The scent is designed to deliver strong freshness during the first couple of weeks, then settle into a lighter aroma for up to 30 days, with gentle fragrance lasting even longer. The natural wood grain also adds a premium touch to your interior, matching well with modern dashboards, leather seats, and classic cabins. It is also a practical gift for drivers. For anyone wanting safe ingredients and simple maintenance, this set is worth considering. It suits family cars, work trucks, SUVs, and RVs where a clean cabin matters every day. At number 2, we have the CRATIK Wood Car Air Freshener. The CRATIK Wood Car Air Freshener is made for drivers who want a cleaner smelling cabin with a stylish premium look. This pack includes 3 refillable wood scent blocks in teak, amber, and cabana, plus the metal visor clip needed for easy installation. Each fragrance is designed to feel more upscale than a traditional paper freshener. Teak combines rich teakwood, warm amber, and crisp cedar atlas for a smooth woody scent. Cabana brings toasted coconut, bergamot, and cedarwood for a relaxed tropical feel, while amber offers a fresh rain-inspired aroma with hints of lavender, amber, and sage. The wooden blocks attach magnetically to the visor clip, keeping the setup neat, secure, and low profile. Made with a blend of essential and fragrance oils, this freshener is designed to provide lasting aroma without harsh chemicals. It is simple to use, easy to replace, and a great option for cars, trucks, SUVs, or anyone who enjoys a refined driving experience. It also works well as a small gift for daily drivers. The included variety also lets you test different moods before choosing your favorite scent for regular use. And finally, at number 1, we have the Car Air Freshener. Car Air Freshener is a premium upgrade for drivers who want their vehicle to smell clean, refined, and more luxurious, without using a bulky hanging freshener. Designed with a sleek wood scent block and a metal visor clip, this air freshener fits neatly on your sun visor and keeps the cabin looking minimal. The amber scent blends warm amber, cedar, and teak wood notes, giving your car a smooth, high-end fragrance instead of the usual candy or artificial smell. It is made in the USA from sustainably sourced wood and uses natural, essential, and fragrance oils with no harsh additives. The formula is vegan, pet-friendly, GMO-free, and cruelty-free, making it a thoughtful option for everyday commuters, families, and car enthusiasts. Setup is simple. Attach the metal clip to the visor. Let the scent block air out as directed. Then snap it onto the magnetic clip. For best freshness, replace the wood block about every 30 days. If you want a clean design, easy refills, and a fragrance that feels grown-up, this drift starter kit is a strong pick.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.